So I've recently purchased the FireTV Stick 4K from Amazon, and I thought I would do an unboxing video of it. The reason I purchased it was mainly for Netflix and for Bell 5 TV, YouTube, CTV, Crave, and some other streaming apps. So this is basically the box and the specs. So I've already cut the tape that seals this, so it'll be a lot easier to manipulate with one hand. Slides out. There. Top lifts up. So looks like it comes with some instruction guides. There's a cable in here. Looks like a micro USB cable. Seems to be an HDMI adapter here. Yep, it's an HDMI adapter for the TV. So the AC cord, AAA batteries here, remote control, and the device itself. So basically that's it. I'm going to test this out, and I'll post another video with my thoughts on this product. If you have any questions, please post it below. And if you like videos on technology and Nikon D5300 or Nikon D5600, please consider subscribing to my channel, where you'll be notified of any new videos. Thanks.